Hello. How are you all doing? Have you guys ever wondered how to say, have you seen this movie? Have you had dinner? Have you finished the project? Have you slept well? In Urdu? So, this is the present perfect tense, and today I'm going to teach you just that. Hello everyone. How are you all doing? My name is Sara. If you're new to this channel, I teach Urdu as a second language on this channel for the past 5 to 6 years, and I've been teaching online on these platforms for the past 7 to 8 years. I teach Urdu with grammar, conjugations, and I teach Urdu with movies, songs. I also teach Urdu with stories. So if you're learning Urdu, these videos would be really helpful. So today I'm going to teach you the present perfect tense. Now you might be wondering, what is present perfect tense? So the present perfect tense is something like an action that you have done in the past, in an unspecified moment in the past, but it is relevant to the present moment. It has a bearing on the present moment. It has some consequences. So for example, a friend asks you, or you guys are searching together to watch a movie in the cinema, and he said, let's watch this movie. And you say, oh, I have already seen this movie. So you've seen it in the past, but it is very relevant right now. So this is the present perfect tense. In Urdu, the present perfect tense is very similar to the past simple tense. So that is why I'm going to go over the past simple tense and connect that tense to the present perfect tense. This is going to be a beginner friendly video, and I expect you guys to have watched the past simple tense videos so you have some knowledge of the past simple tense, because it is a very complicated tense in Urdu and Hindi. If you haven't, I will link all these videos down in the description, and I'll also put the links here. So now we'll learn how to form these sentences in Urdu. So the verb that we're going to take is dekhna, which is to watch. Dekhna. Now, what we have to see in the present perfect tense as well is we have to see if it's a transitive verb or if it is an intransitive verb. Now, what is an intransitive verb and what is transitive verb? A transitive verb simply takes an object. So, dekhna is a transitive verb. Why? Because it requires something that you would see. For example, you would see a movie, you would see something that has happened, like you've seen the moon, you sight moon, you saw an accident, you watch some show. So all of these are direct object that you have seen. So therefore, dekhna is a transitive verb. Now, why it is important? It is important because with the transitive verb, you have to have ne with the subject. So I is me. So me will be marked with ne. This is all explained in the past simple, but because the present perfect tense is very similar, I'm explaining it again. So मैंने देखा would be I saw. So this is the present simple tense. Now you have to add a present element in the sentence. So you would add a present tense form of the verb hona in this. So you will add है. मैंने देखा है. मैंने देखा है. है is the present form of the verb hona. So isn't it very easy? मैंने देखा है means I have seen. मैंने देखा है. मैंने देखा है. I have seen. मैंने ये drama देखा है. I have seen this drama. मैंने ये drama देखा है. है is following the past participle देखा. देखा is agreeing with drama, which is masculine. So the verb agrees with the number and gender of the object. Here drama is one and it's also masculine. So मैंने drama देखा है. मैंने ये drama देखा है. मैंने ये ड्रामा देखा है. Drama in Urdu is a show. मैंने ये ड्रामा देखा है. Now let's make drama plural. So मैंने ये ड्रामे देखे हैं. मैंने ये ड्रामे देखे हैं. So what's happening is it's agreeing. Everything is agreeing with each other. Drame is plural, so it's gonna be देखे, a sound. And the ending है, which is the present element in this sentence, is gonna be a bit nasally to indicate plurality of the object. So मैंने ये ड्रामे देखे हैं. मैंने ये ड्रामे देखे हैं. I have seen these dramas. ये is these. It's a demonstrative pronoun as well. So मैंने ये ड्रामे देखे हैं. If you feel confused, let me know in the comment section. You can also watch all these videos I've put in the description box. Now let's take another transitive verb, khana, which is to eat. You eat something, right? Like you eat a lunch, you eat dinner, you eat breakfast. So you're eating something. So it is a transitive verb because it requires an object. Again, the first rule is the subject will be marked with ne. मैंने खाया. मैंने खाया means I ate. This is the past simple. So we have to make it the present perfect. So we'll add another element, which is the present element, which is है. मैंने खाया है. मैंने खाया है. I have eaten. मैंने खाया है. I have eaten. मैंने waffle खाया है. I've eaten waffle. So you've done it in the past, but it is very relevant in this scenario. So for example, your friend is asking, oh, have you eaten this waffle from this specific place? I say, oh, I've eaten this. In that case, you would use the present perfect tense. You've done it in the past, but right now it has some consequences or it is related to the present moment. मैंने यहाँ से waffle खाया है. मैंने यहाँ से waffle खाया है. I've eaten waffle from here. मैंने यहाँ से waffle खाया है. So these are the masculine noun. Waffle is a masculine noun. Let's take a feminine noun. मिठाई. मिठाई is sweet balls. They are very yummy. I'm trying to reduce sugar, so I'm trying not to think about मिठाई. But I'm gonna make this sentence regardless. So मैंने मिठाई खाई है. मैंने मिठाई खाई है. मैंने मिठाई खाई है. I've eaten this sweet dish. मैंने मिठाई खाई है. So मिठाई is feminine, therefore it's खाई. मैंने मिठाई खाई है. मैंने मिठाई खाई है. Let's make it plural. The मिठाई in plural form is मिठाइयाँ. मैंने मिठाइयाँ खाई हैं. मैंने मिठाइयाँ खाई हैं. So the ending is going to be a bit nasally. खाई हैं to indicate plurality of the object. मैंने मिठाइयाँ खाई हैं. मैंने इंडिया से मिठाइयाँ खाई हैं. मैंने लाहौर से बहुत मिठाइयाँ खाई हैं. I have eaten a lot of sweets from Lahore. मैंने लाहौर से बहुत मिठाइयाँ खाई हैं. Now let's take another transitive verb. Let's take the verb dhona, which is to wash. So suppose your mother's asking, have you washed the dishes? And what would you say? I have washed them if you have, because lying is not a good thing. So you'll say, मैंने बर्तन धोए हैं. मैंने बर्तन धोए हैं. So बर्तन is masculine. मैंने बर्तन धोए हैं. बर्तन is masculine, so it is going to be धोए. मैंने बर्तन धोए हैं. So हैं is nasal because बर्तन is masculine. Although with this noun you can't really tell because it's an unmarked masculine noun. Now I don't want to throw all these words, but I did explain all the noun stuff in this video. I'll make another video if you request in the comment section. मैंने बर्तन धोए हैं. Your mother will ask, क्या तुमने बर्तन धोए हैं? क्या तुमने बर्तन धोए हैं? So this is an interrogative sentence. How you'd make it? You would just put kya in the beginning of the sentence. तुमने बर्तन धोए हैं? You can say it without kya as well by just raising your intonation in the end or making it inquisitive, but you can put kya to make it more like clear and emphatic. So, क्या तुमने बर्तन धोए हैं? क्या तुमने बर्तन धोए हैं? Have you washed the dishes? क्या तुमने बर्तन धोए हैं? Another verb that I really want to teach you is karna. It's an important, very important verb. And let's take the verb baat karna, which is to talk. To talk is baat karna. You did what? You did the talk. Baat is talk here in this sentence, in this context. And that is a feminine word. So you'll say, मैंने बात की है. मैंने बात की है. I have had a conversation. I've talked to someone. क्या तुमने बात की है? मैंने बात की है. मैंने अम्मी से बात की है. मैंने अम्मी से बात की है. अम्मी से means with mom. मैंने अम्मी से बात की है. So whoever you're talking to should be or must be marked with say. मैंने अम्मी से बात की है. मैंने अम्मी से बात की है. I have talked to the mom or my mom or whoever's mom. It just depends on the context and it's implied. So मैंने अम्मी से बात की है. क्या तुमने अम्मी से बात की है? जी हाँ और हाँ मैंने अम्मी से बात की है. But to make it a negative sentence, you would put or you will put nahi before the verb. मैंने नहीं बात की है. मैंने नहीं बात की है. मैंने नहीं बात की है. I have not talked. मैंने अम्मी से नहीं बात की है. मैंने अम्मी से नहीं बात की है. मैंने अम्मी से नहीं बात की है. I haven't talked to her. मैंने अम्मी से नहीं बात की है. So this is a negative sentence. You can make a negative sentence by just putting nahi before the verbs. बात की is the verb and है is also a verb. मैंने नहीं बात की है. Now all the examples that I have given you are of transitive verbs. I'm going to teach you or give you example of intransitive verbs as well. So the first verb that I'm going to give you, this is very important, is jana. Jana is to go. It's intransitive because it does not require an object. Because you don't go what? You go somewhere or with someone, but you don't go what? This is something that I teach my students when I teach this tense, is to ask what after the verb to make it more like it's kind of gets very easy, because you can just say go what, I go what, doesn't make sense. I come what, doesn't make sense. I cried what, I smiled what, doesn't make sense. So that means it's an intransitive verb. So jana is to go. Jana is to go. Now this is important because the subject will not be marked with ne in this case because there is no object or the object is not essential. So you'll say मैं, just मैं, without ne. And this means that the verb will agree or depend on the subject. मैं गया, I went, but to make it the present perfect tense, you will add a present element. Here you'll add home because remember there is no object. The verb, the subject will control the verb. And मैं always ends with home. So मैं गया हूँ, I have gone or I have been. मैं India गया हूँ, I have gone to India, I have been to India. This is a men because gaya is indicating that a man is speaking, because a sound is reserved for men. So, मैं गई हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तान गई हूँ, मैं पाकिस्तान गई हूँ. I have been to Pakistan. मैं पाकिस्तान गई हूँ. I've been to Pakistan. To make it plural, you'll say हम पाकिस्तान गए हैं. हम पाकिस्तान गए हैं. We have been to Pakistan. हम पाकिस्तान गए हैं. The A sound is for multiple men or plural, indicating plurality of the subject. So हम पाकिस्तान गए हैं. वो पाकिस्तान गई है. She has been to Pakistan. वो फ्रांस गई है. वो फ्रांस गई है. जाना is a kind of verb that changes its sound when it is conjugated in the past tense. क्या तुम पाकिस्तान गई हो? क्या तुम पाकिस्तान गई हो? Have you been to Pakistan? क्या तुम पाकिस्तान गई हो? क्या तुम इंडिया गए हो? Have you been to India? क्या तुम इंडिया गए हो? So this is inquisitive. This is interrogative sentence. मैं इंडिया नहीं गया हूँ. मैं इंडिया नहीं गया हूँ. I have never been. I haven't been to India. मैं इंडिया नहीं गया हूँ. मैं इंडिया कभी नहीं गया हूँ. मैं इंडिया कभी नहीं गया हूँ. I've never been to India. So another verb that is intransitive. Let's take the verb sona, because sona is an intransitive verb. वो अच्छी तरह सोया है. वो ही अच्छी तरह सोया है. अच्छी तरह means properly or in a good manner, in a good way. अच्छी तरह सोया है. He has slept very well. वो अच्छी तरह सोया है. वो अच्छी तरह सोई है. वो अच्छी तरह सोई है. She has slept very well. मेरी फैमिली अच्छी तरह सोई है. मेरी फैमिली अच्छी तरह सोई है. My family has slept well. मेरी फैमिली अच्छी तरह सोई है. बहुत शुक्रिया. मेरी फैमिली बहुत अच्छी तरह सोई है. This is something you can say to your host when you're visiting India or Pakistan. So have you enjoyed this video? Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. If you want a PDF of this video, you can become a patron. In the PDF, you'll get the Urdu transcript, Roman Urdu, and English. I hope now you'll be able to use present perfect tense in Urdu confidently. Have a nice day. Goodbye.